Hi, I'm Camille Mock, president of the film club and a student here at Scholars Academy. Right now we're in a hallway that is very empty. It's a barren land. But at 12:14, this turns into the most dangerous place ever. Why, you might ask? It's simple. People think they're too sophisticated to use their eyes when they walk these days. Well, let me tell you something. You're not.
To walk, a verb. To move forward by putting one foot in front of the other in an alternating fashion, while using your eyes at the same time.
Let's put this into perspective. Here I am standing with my face facing the same way as my legs. Now using my eyes, I will demonstrate a simple walk. As you can see, this position is maintained through the entire walk. No matter how I do it, or how I look doing it, my face is always in the front. My eyes are in the same position. Therefore, I can always see where I'm going. If you're not sure, you can use your hands to see if your eyes are lined up with your feet, like so. Here are some examples of walking done wrong. Looking down. I don't even know how to read this thing. Speaking while walking and not looking ahead.
Oh, hey, I have something to tell you. Is it important? No! Wait, tell me.
Whatever this is called. If we don't act fast, things will get out of hand. Oh, come on! Thank you for listening to this PSA. And for the record, look ahead of yourself.
Hi, my name is Miss Brown, and I approve this public service announcement.